Hello, everybody. This will be a tutorial on how to launch an investigation under the Incident Responder module within the platform. Let's begin. In order to access the Investigations tab, we're going to start from the dashboard, and we're going to go down to Incident Responder, and then we're going to click on Investigations. On the Investigations page, you'll see all the investigations that you have launched within the platform. The table breaks down as follows. We have our investigation name. We have the trigger, which will either be auto or manual investigation, which we'll get into in a little bit. The status of the investigation. The date this investigation was created. The date that the investigation expires, as well as the time. The scan status of this investigation, as well as the progress for the investigation. Under Actions, we have the ability to view any details related to the investigation. And if we have an actively running investigation, we can click Stop Action to stop the investigation. To start our new investigation, we'll click New. We can name our investigation. We can select the target users that we want to scan. And under filters, we'll define the search criteria that we're looking for in our investigation. We could search for anything within the header, the subject of the email, the to and from address, the CC address, and the BCC address. We could search by sender name or IP address, and we could search for details within the body of the email as well. We could search by file attachment as well. We could either do file name, file size, file extension, SHA 512, or MD5. For our case, we're going to do within the header of the email, and we can type in any custom search criteria variables here. If we want to finite our search, we can add a filter. We could once again search subject and type in that search criteria here. And we can add as many filters as we'd like as well. Under email date range, we can select the dates for our email investigation to take place. We could search emails up to 3 months prior to the date that the investigation was started. Under select sources, we'll select the mail configurations to conduct this investigation in. In our case, we only have the Outlook mail configurations running, but if you have mail configurations with Google or Exchange as well, those will appear here. We could select how long we want the investigation to run for. Since we chose 3 months, I recommend running the investigation for 3 to 7 days. And under action, we could select the action that we want the platform to take if a email meeting our search filter criteria is found. We can either have no action take place. We can notify the user. We can have this email moved to the trash or have the email deleted. And once you're happy with your investigation settings, we'll click Start Investigation. Once we start investigation, we'll be brought to our investigation details. We'll be able to see if this investigation is running or if it's expired. The number of online users that have been scanned out of the total number of users that are waiting to be scanned, and the number of scanned emails out of the total number of emails. From here, we can stop our investigation. We can create a duplicate investigation if we want to make any changes but leave an original copy. And then we'll see our investigation details down here. We'll see our investigation name, our email date range. The trigger will either be auto or manual. In our case, since we started this investigation, it will be manual. An automatic investigation will only be ran if a user reports an email that turns out to be malicious. If this happens, then the platform will automatically run an investigation to see if there's any other emails that meet the malicious emails search criteria within other users' workspaces. Under source, we'll be able to see the mail configuration that we selected to conduct this investigation in, the target users that we're investigating, and then our search criteria. And in here is where the emails will populate that have met your search criteria for the investigation. This completes our tutorial for investigations under Incident Responder. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.